In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slider in Wix Studio full tutorial. If you're building a website and want to make it visually engaging, adding a slider is a fantastic way to showcase images, promotions, or key content. Sliders can make your website look dynamic and professional, and Wix Studio makes it super easy to incorporate them with just a few clicks. Whether you're new to Wix or looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will take you through the process with clarity and ease. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Wix Studio homepage. This is where all the magic happens. If you don't already have Wix Studio bookmarked, simply type the URL into your browser, and you're ready to go. Once the page loads, you'll notice the interface is clean and user-friendly. It's designed to make website building as simple and intuitive as possible. Now, look to the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see the login button right there. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can access your Wix account. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. If you prefer, you can save time by selecting the Continue with Google option. It's a seamless way to log in without having to type in your email and password manually. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to your Wix Studio dashboard. From here, locate the plus icon on your dashboard. It's usually positioned within easy reach, so it won't take you long to find it. When you click this icon, it opens a menu with various options for adding new elements to your website. This is where you can start customizing your site to make it uniquely yours. Next, select the Input option from the menu that appears. This will reveal a list of interactive features you can add to your website, one of which is the slider. Click on Sliders to open up the available slider styles. Wix Studio provides a variety of slider designs to fit different website themes and aesthetics. Take your time to browse through the options and choose a style that complements the overall look and feel of your site. Once you've made your choice, you're ready to add the slider to your web page. Simply drag and drop the selected slider onto the area of your website where you want it to appear. This process is as straightforward as it sounds. Just click on the slider, hold it down, and drag it to the right spot. Release your mouse, and the slider will snap into place. You can always reposition it later if needed, so don't worry too much about precision at this stage. Now that your slider is on the page, it's time to customize it. This is where you can make the slider truly your own. Wix Studio allows you to adjust a variety of settings, so click on the slider element to open the customization menu. Here you can modify things like image transitions, timing, and dimensions. For example, you might want to set a smooth fade transition between images, or adjust the delay time, so slides change at just the right pace. You can also resize the slider to fit the layout of your web page perfectly. Take your time with this step and make sure the slider integrates seamlessly with your website's theme. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've added a fully functional, customizable slider to your Wix Studio website. Sliders are a great way to grab visitors' attention and make your site stand out. So don't hesitate to experiment with different settings and designs to get the perfect look. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.